cinematics,
Yeah.
it focuses on the things closest to it.
The stick helps do that.
Huh?
The stick helps do it.
No.
That phone. So.
The phone does. The gimbal just kind of help you to stabilize it, you know. But I recorded in cinematics yesterday. I recorded a video in cinematics, and I noticed that sometimes it doesn't focus immediately, but that's because it's focusing on the things immediately in front of it. And when it's focused on, say, the dashboard here, then the things out there is kind of blurry. So yeah, that's the cinematics. Yeah. It's cool. I like it. I've been trying to. I did 2 videos like that. Yeah, I like it. See that? See how? Yeah. Learning.
I need my iPhone.
What do you have?
I got an Android.
Android, really, dude?
I'm not big on phones. So I just.
You got an Android, dude?
Yeah. I'm simply.
I'm a phone guy. I've had iPhones since they came out. I like iPhones though. They're pretty user friendly.
I'm not picky though. I just find Android's practical. You can really do anything.
I find Androids to be quite clunky, actually. The operating system. iPhones are much more user friendly, in my opinion. I mean, there are people that use Android that would say Androids are easier. That's because they don't understand iPhone. And I suppose that's the same with me, right? Like, I don't understand the Android, so it just seems clunky, you know?
Yeah.
It just seems mad clunky to me.
It's more work up to me.
Yeah, I just like the iPhone. They're easy. They're very, very easy.
I'm gonna switch because the cameras are so much better.
I like how you see how crisp that is, bro.
Yeah, it looks like you're filming with a pro camera.
Exactly. It's nice.
I just like this.
Yeah. I usually record only on the GoPro, but since I got this phone, this is the 14. It's so nice. The videos are so nice that I find myself recording with the camera, with the phone more than
the GoPro.
I do the GoPro sometimes, but I find it's kind of easy to do the phone. And I never recorded with the phone prior to getting this phone. I used it because I had the 8 before.
Yeah.
I never actually recorded a video with it for the channel. But now I have 3 channels, so I got to do a lot more recording.
GoPros are built for motion.
Yeah, GoPros are nice though. I mean, the GoPro 10 Black, that's what I have. They have the 11 now or whatever, but my 10 Black works perfectly. But GoPro, even you can record up to 5K on the GoPro. This can record up to 5K. It's like you can't really upload videos at 5K anyway, unless you have a super computer. And the computer that I'm editing with is pretty fast, but still not fast enough to be recording and editing 4K or 5K. 4K is not that bad, but 5K is, you need a super computer to do that. Okay, this is the afternoon traffic. Look at how many people are out here already. Like, so I was at the DMV this morning. I have to make a video on this. People were there at 2 o'clock in the morning. People are camping out from 10 at night for the DMV. DMV opens at 8 o'clock in the morning, and people are actually camping out from 10 o'clock at night. I went there this morning. There are people with sleeping bags in the front, like a bunch of sleeping. Yes, that's serious. And this morning in particular, they had, my student got there at 3, and they were number 10. They only taking 10.
Yeah.
They only taking 10 in the mornings as walking, and my student was number 10 at 3 in the morning. And when they open up, they decide they're only taking 5 because there was a problem on Friday, and so they gave people appointments to come back this morning.
Yeah.
So all the Friday people got in this morning. So all the people that sit there from this morning at 3 o'clock in the morning and 2 o'clock and whatever, they all had to go home without service. So they're pretty pissed off.
So I don't like going there without making an appointment.
Well, appointments are hard to get, dude. You can
know,
try to get an
I see.
appointment. You'll get one 2 months from now.
I know. So that's what I see.
Yeah, so people, it's not like people didn't try to get appointments. It's just not easy to get appointments. So after trying for a while, people just decide, well, you know what? I'll just go to the DMV and take my chances.
Well, I don't like the DMV employees. I can't stand that line. Like,
I mean, the DMV employees are not terrible, right? Most of them are normal people, dude.
I feel like they're just miserable with the job that they have.
No. I kind of know a lot of them. They're normal. But if you're in a job where you're dealing with people
yeah.
all day long, and people have, trust me, people
I know. I work
people
in
can be
customer service
terrible.
a couple times, yeah.
So when you're dealing with people, you tend to kind of get a little bit impatient. I mean, I deal with people all day long. I can't be impatient because I'm self-employed. I own this business, but I'm never impatient anyway. You get me? But most people are. Yeah, the questions that people ask me, dude, sometimes I'm just like, really though? Like, are you actually asking that? Like, yes, are you asking me that for real? So, imagine working at the DMV and have people in your face asking you stupid questions all day long. It's not the best look in the world. Some of them, you know, they're quite impatient.
That's the word.
You say you work, where you work, at a call center?
No. I mean, like, I work at, like, clothing stores and stuff.
Oh, so you deal with people all day long. Yeah, people be asking
They
really crazy questions.
Not even a question. It's just like how they handle things. It's like they you owe them something.
Yeah, well, I mean, yeah, people are entitled. That's what this place is all about. Everybody's so entitled to everything going their way. You feel me?
this guy, he bought a shirt, and he came back to the store, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I think the shirt had like a hole in it, and which he probably didn't see.
Yeah.
So he was like blaming the people behind the register, like as if they sold it to him.
The people that rang him up.
Yeah, so he's like blaming it as if they like knew there was a hole in
They
it.
made the shirt.
Yeah.
And put the hole in it.
And he threw the shirt after one of the person at the register.
Oh my God! I tell you, people are weird like that. Man, people are super weird. Yes, I know. Working in retail.
Yeah, I never went
Yeah.
retail. Like clothing retail.
Yeah. I am happily self-employed, bro, because I couldn't do it. Okay, we're gonna go over to the left. It's a signal left. Look in the mirror here. Look in the side mirror, and then look in your blind spot and go gradually over. Turn off the blinker. I have not been making driving lesson video too much, but I find people are starting to watch the driving lesson videos a lot now. Before I didn't make them because people weren't watching them, but now the last time I checked, people are starting to watch them a lot. So I'm like, I might as well make some driving lesson videos also. Why not? I used to make them a lot, and then when you look at the driving test video, you will have 30,000 views, and the driving lesson videos will have 200 or 300. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, I'm actually learning how the cinematic works. Because I was wondering yesterday, I was like, okay, why is it blurring here? So now I know why. But I see the guys, the car guys, are always saying, let me do a cinematic. And you know, I see them, I don't know what the hell they were doing. Yeah, as you grow, you learn, right? I am learning. Everything I do on YouTube is self-taught. 3 channels, self-taught. I learned how to edit by myself. I learned how to shoot the videos. I learned every single aspect of YouTube by myself. Yeah, okay, we're gonna stop. You know, some guy called me the other day, and he wanted to consult, wanted to pay me to set up a YouTube channel for his son. So I'm just like, okay, I guess what I'm doing is working.
Set up the YouTube channel?
Yeah, he want me to set it up and do consultations with them on how to run the YouTube channel. And I'm like, wow, that's cool.
This guy's lit on YouTube.
No, some of these cars actually come when you start it up. The lights come on. Like I have the 328i. The lights automatic. You can set the light to come on. You can turn it off, I guess, if you want to, but it comes on automatically. A lot of the new cars are like that. Like that guy, I'm sure he didn't turn that on. When you start the car, it comes on. That's nice. E46. So this Father's Day. We're doing a drive to Jacksonville with a car club.
Okay.
The BMW car club. Yeah. So that's gonna be cool. And this battery is almost dead, so I suppose I will end this video. Alright, so yeah, I'll be making more driving lesson videos, so y'all.
You gotta give me the name of
tuned.
that YouTube channel.
So you have not been watching any YouTube.
As soon as I go, I'm like, I forget about it. So it's like, I need to.
It's ACC driving school, dude. It's ACC driving school. I have 400 and must be 30 videos now.
Yeah, I'm gonna binge watch some.
Yeah, watch some videos because you're gonna need them for your tests. After today, we gotta figure out the test date. So, all right, go ahead and make your U-turn here. And just let it go. Gotta get that windshield fixed. It's cracked. Alright, cool. Put it in park. Alright, man.
Alright.
Go watch the videos, ACC driving school.
Alright.
And link me back and let me know when you want to try to do the driving test.
That's the which one?
The fourth lesson is the driving test.
That's the when we go on the track.
At the DMV, yeah.
That's the DMV?
Yeah, dude. What else do you think?
I thought it was 5. You said 5.
It's 4 plus the test,
Okay.
or 5. If you want to do the test by yourself, then it's 5. But if you want me to take you for the test, then it's 4 lessons plus the driving test. The test is free with 4 lessons.
Okay, good.
Get it?
We're here 4?
This is 3, dude.
This is 3.
So the 4th one is the day of your test. We'll go and practice at the DMV.
Okay.
You're looking quite confused, bro. Like, what? All right, man. Just let me know when you can do it.
Yeah.
Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Trying to be, just push it out.
That's it?
Yeah. I'll be trying to do more driving lesson videos also. All right? Cool.